Hi, I'm Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom spider from scratch, which you can use as an accessory and for decoration. What you will need to make this is some yarn. This one's not in Halloween colors, but it'll do because it's still a yarn. Eyes, I'm using glow-in-the-dark beads, but I'll show you some easy replacements later in the video. Scissors, this way you can cut all your yarn easily. Construction paper or a pipe cleaner so you can make the legs. I will show you how to do this later. And a hot glue gun to glue everything together. Let's get started. First things first, we have to prepare our yarn. Cut your yarn into one long piece and one short piece. My long piece is about 16 feet and 3 inches, and my short piece is about 1 foot 4 inches. You're going to take your long piece and 3 fingers. Place your long piece on like this and hold it down with your thumb. Wrap it around until the long piece is wrapping around itself, and keep going until you're out of the long piece. Now take your short piece and place it down like this. Put your long piece in the center like this, and tie the short piece around it. I suggest you tie it 3 to 4 times. Now take your scissors and cut the short string. Now you're going to look for the little loops here and slide your scissors in. And then you're going to cut right through it. Do the same to the other side. If you missed a couple loops, then go in again. Keep cutting until they're all frayed out. Once it looks like this, you're almost there. But to make it look neater, you just give the pom-pom a little haircut, like this. It should look like this afterwards. Repeat the same steps for the smaller pom-pom. I have the longer piece at 3 feet and the shorter piece still 1 foot. 3 fingers, hold, and wrap. As you can see, the glow beads can't really fit on the head anymore. It was too small. So there are a couple easy replacements for eyes. Buttons of any size. These tiny green beads. These big red beads. You can draw eyes. Or of course you can use googly eyes, but I don't have them. So there's plenty of other options too. So I have chosen these tiny green beads for the eyes, and I'm going to glue them on. Okay, so as you can see, I have the hot glue set up, and I'm going to glue the beads onto the head. You just apply a tiny amount of glue to the bead and stick it onto the pom-pom. Now you wait for the hot glue to dry, and there's your spider head. Now that we're finished with the eyes, it's time to work on the legs. The first method I am going to show you is the construction paper method. You're going to cut 8 strips of construction paper. If you're wondering the length, it's about 3 inches long each. You're going to take each strip and fold it accordion style. Just like this, folded accordion style. It doesn't have to be perfect because mine definitely aren't, and then you're going to hot glue them onto the abdomen or the body of the spider. As you can see here, I've taken 2 of the strips that we previously folded and cut each one in half to make them thinner. I'm going to glue these on the spider, so the spider has half construction paper legs and half pipe cleaner legs. I'm going to apply a little bit of glue to the top of the construction paper. Then you're going to stick it into the spider's body. Continue doing this until you're all out of construction paper. Next, I'm going to show you how to make the legs out of pipe cleaner. So I have already cut 4 pieces, but of course if you're using this for the whole spider, then you're going to need 8. You're going to simply bend it up like this and this. And that's how you make the pipe cleaner legs. Now it's time to hot glue the pipe cleaners to the spider. So it's easy enough. You just take some glue onto the legs and glue them just like the construction paper. And now we're finished with our spider's body. Now all we have to do left is to glue our spider's head to our spider's body. Take some hot glue and apply it to the head. And simply stick it onto the body. And we're done. This is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.